Hi dear friends, welcome back to this channel. Today in this video I will show you how to delete YouTube video very easily, because sometimes we want to delete our YouTube video. So in this video I will show you how you can easily do it. So without wasting time, let's start video. If you find this video is helpful for you, then please give like this video and subscribe our channel. So firstly open the YT Studio. So when you will open the YT Studio, so click on content option. So when you will click on content options, so it will show your content. So you can see I have not uploaded any video because I just uploaded a short, so that's why it will show only shorts. So in case of your, if you want to delete your video, so it will show your videos here. So after this, so you can see your videos, and in front of video you can see three dot. So just click on it. So after this, here you can see the option of delete. So just click on delete. So after this, confirm to delete. So guys, it is deleting. So guys, in this way you can see video is deleted. So guys, in this way you can delete video from your YouTube channel very easily. If this video is helpful for you, then please give like this video and subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.